tell. Leave it here. And I am making a wolf pit recipe for supper. This is hamburger, onion, green pepper, and what do we have over here? Corn tortillas, corn. Gotta add some garlic, some of my home canned tomato sauce. Can anyone guess what it's gonna be? No, we'll have to wait until later to see.